I'd like to take a minute to tell you about a product that we're extremely proud of here at Innovative Bowling Products. This is a product that's been on the market since I think 2001 is when our company came out with this. This is called the Revivor Oil Extraction Unit. There's no secret that in today's bowling ball environment that in order for a bowling ball to hook, it needs to absorb oil. And what happens is after a period of time, the bowling ball becomes saturated with oil and it loses the original hooking characteristics that it had when the customer originally bought it. So what happens at that point is the customer is no longer happy with that product and they come back and visit your pro shop and they're looking for a new bowling ball. And of course we want to sell them a new bowling ball. So we watch them bowl, we figure out what the correct ball is for them. And then this gives us a great opportunity because what I do in my shop is I say to them, now what are you planning on doing with your old bowling ball? Well, chances are that they're going to retire it. I give them a choice. I say, you know, you don't really need to do that. What we can do is we're going to drill up this new ball for you. It's going to give you the hook characteristics that you're looking for. But we can take your old bowling ball and we have a process that extracts the oil out of it. And that's called the Revivor oven. What it is it's an oven. It uses forced hot air. It has a 2-hour timer on the front. It's fully insulated, so if a child would lean up against it, nobody's ever going to get burned. It's fully safe. I've done bowling balls. I've dropped 2 in there at night, turn it on, lock the doors, and go home from the shop and come back in the next day and they're ready to go. It has a full Carlo Gavassi digital display. Right now I have the unit set at 140 degrees. The internal temperature, we just turned it on, is slowly rising. You can see it's at 131. And that'll slowly leak up. Now once I open the lid, you're going to see that number drop down because I'm letting some of the hot air out. So as I open this up, inside we can accommodate up to 2 bowling balls. There are sorbent pads that are inside here. Then there are these 4 rollers. So what we do is we put the ball inside there any way at all, and you see the ball is slowly rotating around. The air is coming out of here. It'll heat the ball evenly all the way around. You can do up to 2 balls at a time. And you just close the lid. Now you'll see the temperature will start to go back up as the heat's being applied to the bowling ball. This unit will restore the hookability of a bowling ball back 99% of what it was when it was brand new. It will not harm a bowling ball. It will bring the hook characteristics back, assuming that you put the same surface on the bowling ball as it had the day it was made. So what we do in our shop is we sell them the new ball and then we sell them a process. We'll revive your old ball, we'll take the oil out of it, and we will resurface your bowling ball, and we put that together for a package price, and people just go for it over and over and over. I tell my customers in late August, early September when they're buying their new ball for the season is get your new bowling ball and then I want to see you around Christmas time, because for the average league bowler that's the normal length of time it takes for the ball to absorb oil to the point where they're going to see a loss of performance. So Christmas time they come back in, we put the ball back in there, we resurface the bowling ball, we get it set for the end of the year, and then I tell them I want to see them at the end of the season. We do that process again, and then that gets their bowling balls ready to go for states and nationals. Now, once you buy this unit, the total cost to revive a bowling ball, counting electricity, counting the use of the pads, you have at the most 25 cents invested in that bowling ball. And we're hearing prices from 20, I've even heard as high as $40, but that's your business. You can charge whatever you want. Let's say you charge $20 to revive a bowling ball. $19.75 of that is total profit. This is the biggest profit generating item you can have in your pro shop, period, hands down. It's built like a battleship. Once you plug it in and you run it, it's going to run for years. So it won't take long at all to get your total investment out of the Revivor oven. This is an absolute necessity in today's bowling environment. You need to have one of these in your pro shop. Innovative puts a 1-year guarantee on it. It may as well be 5 years, because when you plug that thing in and it works, it's going to keep working for years and years to come. So we're really proud of this product, and it is absolutely one of the biggest money makers you can put in your pro shop.